going on YouTube? In today's video, we are going to be unboxing the Neewer Bicolor 660 LED video lighting kit. I purchased these to replace my studio softboxes for two reasons. One, they're very compact compared to the softboxes, and two, they are giving me the ability to adjust the brightness of each light. I want to show you what you get in the box, as well as the quality and overall differences between these two LED lights versus the softboxes. You can check out the link for this LED lighting kit and current pricing in the description below. If you're new here, consider subscribing. Please leave a like on this video, as well as leave any questions, suggestions, or opinions in the comment section below, as it helps get my content to more people. These LED panels come with 330 white and 330 yellow long-lasting LED bulbs. This light illuminates a variable white balance from tungsten 320 Kelvin and daylight at 560 Kelvin color temperature. The video light is made of an excellent quality aluminum alloy, showing a simple, elegant appearance that could be placed directly on a light stand, ground, or desk, providing simple, multiple shooting solutions. The light is powered by an AC adapter. However, if you need be, you can also use batteries to power each light. These take NPF 550s or NPF 970 batteries, which are not included in the kit. The adjustable light stand height ranges from 26 inches to 75 inches tall. Let's check out what you get in the box. So in the box, you get this nice case for each light. It helps you transport the lights to another location or store them fairly easy. So first you get this nice easy setup guide here. Then you get their nice little support card if you have any questions. And here you have the light itself. So you have, on the sides here, you have little adjustment screws so you can tighten them down or loosen them so you can adjust this. You have nice little barn doors here for the light itself. And then you have the LED panel right here. I don't know if you can see it on the camera itself, but you can see like one row's the tungsten color, and then the second row is the actual daylight color. I'm not sure if you can see that from the video camera itself or not, but so it alternates each line. On the back, you have an on-off switch here, so you can turn them on based on battery or AC power. Then you have your AC power inlet right here. Then you have your two battery locations right here to turn on the battery, so that way you can put in the batteries for battery operation. And then you have the dimmers, one for yellow and one for white. So if you want to turn it on for white, you can just adjust it on there. If you wanted more tungsten color, you would adjust it right there as well. You can also use both of the lights, the yellow and white, at the same time if you wanted to. So you get the AC power adapter here, just your standard power adapter. And it's probably about I'd say maybe a 10-foot cord when you get these two together. Also, it comes with two stands, one for each light, and you'll see that in this video as well. For the price, as you can see, these LED lights, although not the professional quality, but a great setup for someone that is looking to save a little money, wanting to get into YouTube. As I said before, if you're new here, please consider subscribing for more videos like this, and I'll see you next time.